Hey guys, today's going to be a power hour. These are the things that I wanted to get done because the next day I did not want to have to worry about cleaning. So I'm going to set my timer for an hour and I'm going to get to work.
Standing on the door, I'm on my way.
I always start in the kitchen. That is just the way that I do it. So I had a few dishes to put away. I had to unload Madeline's lunchbox and put away some clutter that ends up on the countertop. And then I moved on to the rest of the house. But when I have a clean kitchen, the whole house feels clean. So I always start in there.
Nobody's gonna make me feel I'm going down. Stand up and take it as I go. Stronger than ever. Faded, it's not a shade of mine. All in all, I'm doing fine.
So here I am just rinsing out her lunchbox. It is a cloth lunchbox, so I soaked it in some hot dish soap and then I rinsed it out and I let it dry there overnight. That's typically how I will clean her lunchbox, kind of in between, but then sometimes I do throw it in the washer. But it was pretty gross, so I'm running some hot water there and I just let it soak while I was cleaning.
Stand up and take it as I go. Stronger than ever. Faded, it's not a shade of mine. All in all, I'm doing fine. I'm gonna hold the line, and I'm gonna be just fine. Do it alright, do it okay, and take it as I go. Do it okay, stronger than ever. Faded.
Do you guys see Tucker back there sitting on the couch watching me? He is so cute and his little head is moving as I do things and move things, but it's because I'm cleaning around his treat jar and he knows it. He's no dummy. He saw that I was messing with his treat jar and he didn't want to miss out on getting one. My floral rugs are from Walmart, in case anyone is wondering. They are just a gray floral rug. I can't remember the name of them, but I just searched floral rug and they came up. So now I'm starting a load of Madeline's laundry and I'm using my Gain Original. I switched over to the yellow Suavitel. I use the blue normally, but I like both, but I just wanted a little change. And then I'm putting in some Gain Original scent boosters, and that is my holy grail laundry trio. It makes your laundry smell so amazing. So I just started a load for her and then I came in to pick up all of these toys. This is just a nightmare. I deal with this daily, but I'm picking up the toys and straighten up the living room and then I'm going to vacuum and mop in a little bit.
It never was like this before. We've been
I was using my homemade Febreze there to spray down and freshen up the blankets, and I use it in my bedroom a little bit later. If you have not seen my fabric softener hacks video, I will have a link for it to come across the screen now. You should definitely check it out because I have some great hacks to use fabric softener. So I already had some mop water from earlier in the day, and so I just was using that to kind of freshen up. I had a little bit of fabric softener in there. If you watch that hacks video, you will know all about it. But I wanted to just do a quick freshen up mop and make my house smell good, and so that's what I was using there.
It's the same old sound in the same old town. I wake up early with a sigh. The morning breaks to leave behind the night I need to get me by. Safe and lonely. It's the same old sound for days to come. I close the blinds and carry on. I'm not afraid to stay away. What comes around can stay unfound. It's the same old sound, the common ground. Just leave me be, don't ask me why. Behind these walls, no one talks, and tears will freeze are left to dry. Safe and
So the pile of clothes on the floor is from when I did my closet clean out, and I have yet to go through those and list them on my Poshmark. But if you didn't know, I do have a Poshmark, and I will have it linked in the description box. I've sold a lot of stuff on there, and I still have a ton to list, but I need to just find the time to be able to do that. So I had 13 minutes left, and I wanted to get some things done that weren't on my list, and then I needed to finish up the bedroom. I wanted to clean up all of Kinsley's toys in there because when I'm in there listing for Poshmark, she brings all of her toys in there. So I sprayed down my bed just to freshen it up with that DIY Febreze, and then I picked up her toys. I just put them in that laundry basket, and then I asked Madeline to please put them up for me, and then I picked up all of the clothes and kind of at least just gathered them into one pile so they weren't all over the place. And then I actually ended up having a little bit of time to start just freshening up my master bathroom.
You're scared of giving in. I know you're scared of love. I won't forget about you. No, now don't be afraid. I promise I will wait for you. I promise I will wait for you. I promise I will wait for you.
So my bathtub was kind of dirty because Kinsley had taken a bath in there when her little feet were filthy from playing outside barefoot. So I wanted to just jump in real quick and give it a real quick scrub down with my little dish wand there. It just has Dawn dish soap in it, and it works great. I love it. It helps me to clean out my shower and my bathtub really super quick and kind of on the whim. As you see, I was in there, it was there, so I was able to literally clean my bathtub in less than 5 minutes. And then I wanted to go ahead and wipe down my vanity and give my toilet just a quick wipe down.
I know you will be strong again. I know your heart
So that was everything that I got done within the hour. As you see, I didn't manage to get my toilet done in that hour, but I would say I did pretty good considering I added an entire bathroom to my list of to-dos. But anyways, this kind of just goes to show you guys what all you can get done in an hour. If you can dedicate 1 hour a day to cleaning your house, then you can get it done and you can keep up on it and keep it maintained. And it helps when you go to clean it if it is maintained as well, rather than letting it go for days on end. So I hope this was motivating. If you liked and you are not subscribed, I would love to have you be a subscriber. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel, and I appreciate and love you guys so much, and I will see you guys next time.
A million things I guess that I should say, but I am